Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokajin channel. Learning English and Indonesian language. Today we're going to talk about family and relatives.
Hari ini kita akan membicarakan tentang keluarga dan saudara.
Substitution drills. Listen and then repeat.
Latihan penggantian kata. Dengar dan ulangi.
My cousin is still single.
Sepupu saya masih lajang.
My cousin is a bachelor.
Sepupu saya bujangan.
My cousin is an only child.
Sepupu saya adalah anak tunggal.
Your niece is engaged, isn't she?
Keponakanmu bertunangan bukan?
Your niece is married, isn't she?
Keponakanmu sudah menikah bukan?
My sister has been engaged for 2 months.
Adikku telah bertunangan selama 2 bulan.
My sister has been married for 2 months.
Kakak saya sudah menikah selama 2 bulan.
My grandfather got married in 1945.
Kakek saya menikah pada tahun 1945.
My grandmother got married in 1945.
Nenek saya menikah pada tahun 1945.
My grandson got married in 1945.
Cucu saya menikah pada tahun 1945.
My granddaughter got married in 1945.
Cucu perempuan saya menikah pada tahun 1945.
How long have they been married?
Sudah berapa lama mereka menikah?
Approximately how long have they been married?
Kira-kira sudah berapa lama mereka menikah?
How many years have they been married?
Sudah berapa tahun mereka menikah?
Exactly how many years have they been married?
Tepatnya berapa tahun mereka menikah?
I'm single, and my cousin is still single.
Saya bujangan. Dan sepupu saya masih lajang.
I'm single, and my uncle is still single.
Saya bujangan. Dan paman saya masih lajang.
I'm single, and my nephew is still single.
Saya bujangan. Dan keponakan saya masih lajang.
I'm single, and my brother is still single.
Saya bujangan. Dan saudara saya masih lajang.
Is your niece married?
Apakah keponakan Anda sudah menikah?
Is your aunt married?
Apakah bibimu sudah menikah?
Is your cousin married?
Apakah sepupumu sudah menikah?
Is your sister married?
Apakah kakakmu sudah menikah?
When did your cousin get married? Was it last year?
Kapan sepupumu menikah? Apakah itu tahun lalu?
When did your uncle get married? Was it last year?
Kapan pamanmu menikah? Apakah itu tahun lalu?
When did your aunt get married? Was it last year?
Kapan bibimu menikah? Apakah itu tahun lalu?
When did your friend get married? Was it last year?
Kapan temanmu menikah? Apakah itu tahun lalu?
Who did George marry?
Siapa yang dinikahi George?
Who did you marry?
Siapa yang kamu nikahi?
Who did she marry?
Siapa yang dia nikahi?
Who did your cousin marry?
Sepupumu menikah dengan siapa?
Do Mr. and Mrs. Cooper have children?
Apakah Tuan dan Nyonya Cooper punya anak?
Do Mr. and Mrs. Cooper have any children?
Apakah Tuan dan Nyonya Cooper punya anak?
Do Mr. and Mrs. Cooper have several children?
Apakah Tuan dan Nyonya Cooper memiliki beberapa anak?
Do Mr. and Mrs. Cooper have a child?
Apakah Tuan dan Nyonya Cooper punya anak?
They had a baby last month, didn't they?
Mereka punya bayi bulan lalu bukan?
They had a child last month, didn't they?
Mereka punya anak bulan lalu bukan?
They had another child last month, didn't they?
Mereka punya anak lagi bulan lalu bukan?
My son wants to get married in June.
Anak saya ingin menikah pada bulan Juni.
My daughter wants to get married in June.
Putri saya ingin menikah pada bulan Juni.
His brother wants to get married in June.
Kakaknya ingin menikah pada bulan Juni.
Our grandchild wants to get married in June.
Cucu kami ingin menikah pada bulan Juni.
Their cousin wants to get married in June.
Sepupu mereka ingin menikah pada bulan Juni.
Their grandchildren are grown up now, aren't they?
Cucu mereka sudah dewasa sekarang bukan?
Their grandchildren are married now, aren't they?
Cucu mereka sudah menikah sekarang bukan?
Their grandchildren are engaged now, aren't they?
Cucu mereka sudah bertunangan sekarang bukan?
She's a widow. Her husband died last year.
Dia seorang janda. Suaminya meninggal tahun lalu.
She's a widow. Her husband passed away last year.
Dia seorang janda. Suaminya meninggal tahun lalu.
I'm not married.
Saya belum menikah.
He's not married.
Dia belum menikah.
She's not married.
Dia tidak menikah.
They're not married.
Mereka tidak menikah.
They don't know when the wedding will be.
Mereka tidak tahu kapan pernikahan itu akan diadakan.
They don't know when the wedding is going to be.
Mereka tidak tahu kapan pernikahan itu akan berlangsung.
They don't know when the wedding is supposed to be.
Mereka tidak tahu kapan pernikahan itu seharusnya.
They don't know when the wedding will take place.
Mereka tidak tahu kapan pernikahan akan berlangsung.
They've been married for quite a few years.
Mereka sudah menikah selama beberapa tahun.
They've been married for many years.
Mereka sudah menikah selama bertahun-tahun.
They've been married for quite a long time.
Mereka sudah menikah cukup lama.
They've been married for years and years.
Mereka sudah menikah selama bertahun-tahun.
When is your grandparents' wedding anniversary?
Kapan ulang tahun pernikahan kakek nenek Anda?
When is your parents' wedding anniversary?
Kapan ulang tahun pernikahan orang tuamu?
When is your brother's wedding anniversary?
Kapan ulang tahun pernikahan kakakmu?
When is your friend's wedding anniversary?
Kapan ulang tahun pernikahan temanmu?
That's the end of the lesson. Please be kind enough as to subscribe, like and share this link to others. Thank you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.